I think this is an exceptional thing to be doing for the city, and I think as time will probably tell, in the decades to come, that reserving this green space and having a good space for people to enjoy is just going to increase value to the city and make the lifestyle for people much more enjoyable.
Crews have been hard at work setting the metal deck frames on a new suspension bridge in Unity Park. Known as Auro Bridge, funding for the structure was donated by Auro Hotels. Constructed of weathered steel and epay decking, the bridge will provide safe passage for a 175-foot span across the Reedy River.
We actually have really admired the sort of sunshades over here, and it's been fun to sort of see it, like, you know, the post holes, and then see what those what the big poles turn into. And same thing with the bridge. We, for the last couple of months, have been taking guesses as to how what it was going to look like in the end. And same thing with the splash pad and the playgrounds and that sort of stuff. So it's been kind of fun to see the development over time.
Auro Bridge is expected to open along with the rest of Unity Park in the spring of 2022.